Hi friends, welcome to First Motors. Today I review 2021 Genesis G70. Let's check it out.
This is a 2021 the new G73.3T 4 AWD with a mileage of only 46,801 kilometers. Gasoline engine, automatic transmission, accident-free history, no seizure, no mortgage issues. Finished in a sleek blue color. This G70 delivers both luxury and aggressive performance in one perfect package. Step inside the G70 and you're welcomed with premium leather seats, a driver-focused cockpit, and a clean, modern layout. Comfortable, refined, and built for both luxury and everyday driving. This is the kind of sports sedan that gives you performance, luxury, and everyday usability, all in one. Under the hood, you get a powerful 3.3L twin-turbo engine, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, giving you confidence and control in any road condition. Clean interior, premium leather seats, driver-focused design, a luxury you can feel. Price is only $19,990. Worldwide export available. Contact now for more details, inspection videos, and shipping information.